Tozani Gogo Namkhulu. I'm very tired, but I thought I should do this short video because of one of the major reasons I'm here. It's because of people who are complaining to Gogo. He cheated on me. Gogo, she cheated on me. Gogo, I want to pay revenge. So I'm here for that. But I thought I should just bring a humor in my trip because it's one of the toughest trips I've done in Africa. I'm talking about the guys from the 80s downwards, 80s, 70s, really. And I'm talking from experience on this. And please don't judge me. And kumbulani ngimdala. I'm 21 guys. Ngimdala. Don't judge me. Have some respect. Ukuthi ugogo uyakhuluma. Do you know these sketches that we used to play as kids? Mandlwane, Dindlu, ukudlalisa. We used to play, it's called it that way in the township, ukudlalisa. Whereby there's a father, there's a child, there's a father, there's a mother, there's a child. Have you noticed ukuthi the cheating started there? The cheating started at we started cheating at a very young age, right? I was, because of my big tummy from the young age, I was privileged to always be ubaba, right? And our parents would encourage us to play. They would not even care about us. They knew ukuthi there's no sex intercourse that is taking place there. They knew ukuthi we are safe, we are just kids, and all we're doing is to play, right? However, okay, let me talk for myself. I don't remember my parents said to me, "Hey, well, angithi ngesikhathi udlala nabosibani bani bobaba. Then so udlala nabosibani bani ubaba futhi komunye umfazi. That is cheating." They've never said that. So I said I want to speak for myself. I was going to talk about my cousin Umamsi, but she has passed on, and may her soul rest in peace. My lovely cousin Umamsi Mohlala. But let's talk. Okay, rather, let me ask this question to the ladies. When you were playing these houses, these family sketches as kids, have you ever been told by your parents to say, "Hey, when angithi ekhaya ushiya indoda. So we are visiting your cousins here. Now you have another husband. Yeah, when angithi ekhaya unomfazi. Now we are visiting here. If you are playing this, you now need to adapt in saying now it's no longer just njena ukuthi ubaba. Yes, ubaba, but ulokhuzana ulokhuzana usekhaya." And this thing iqale lana, guys, if you can look at it very well. Bekangekho umashelana on those sketches. No, you were just being elected to ubaba umunye umama, and that's it. It ends there. Niyathandana nishadile. Lalelani, it's a wedding. So, and most of the time, yeah, I like the wedding part because of that. That's the only moment that you get a kiss. Then we got used to the movies. Then ubaba BM17 would get a kiss again. I liked that. But have you noticed ukuthi these storylines, our childhood storylines, they laid a wrong foundation for us as a shell. Two, cheating, it was a standard. You go and visit ubaba. Today ubaba no mama. The following day omunye is a child, omunye is now a father to another parent. Just like that. Imagine if ever those games had structures from then. Imagine these games had structures like family structures, from the approach of uyoshela. From ushela, now the woman says, "Yes, I love you too." Then you start dating. Imagine if ever we grew up doing that, and not just to jump into fight and set and call each other husband and wife, and boom, we jump in. Now it's a wedding, because especially the wedding, we liked it on Sundays. Sunday during lunchtime, because that one would still beetroot from home, that one is still rice and everything. Then we do our wedding here. Then now we blame cheating as if cheating is something that we found at this age, now that we're old. No. Let's look at it in that way. Ukuthi lento isuka kuphi, right? Here's the lesson of this content. Let's pay attention on what kids are playing with. The language the kids they are playing with, it's very important, because they are going to implement that when they are older. Let me repeat this. Let's invest our time in monitoring the language of our children when they play, so that we also direct them to say whatever they are playing with, it must have a sort of a sequence, and sort of no, you were playing saying this, you can't do that, so that a police remain a police in a storyline. And then the criminal in the storyline, if they're playing there's a police, there's a criminal, must not remain a criminal. The criminal must change, because that is what rehabilitation rehabs are for. The criminal must change. Okay, you were doing things wrong, now you are a good person, you went through all the causes, all the channels in prison, now you are the good person, now you're going back to the community, now you behave, now you are able to control your temper. We need to direct how kids are playing. It's going to avoid many things. Now we are up and down. We want to muti, we want to pay revenge, we want love back, we want what. You are competing with somebody who's used to this cheating. There are ladies in their lives of playing, they had more than 50. It depends how much energy they had when it comes to playing. They had more than 50 husbands. And others, they are still childish, which means that childhood character is still in them. There are guys who had more than 50 wives while they're still young. So that childhood character is still with them. They believe ukuthi bona they can have as many partners as they can. Kanti, it's not a right thing. It is not, at the end of the day. And we can avoid such things that we're faced with now, going up and down and everything. I can't believe 51% or 60% of why I came here for is for people who wants a revenge. Hi man, guys, no. I'm doing this video because I know the ones who are gonna ask for a refund, but no guys, no. Yeah man, yeah.